New set of 19-inch Bolas, absolutely looking awesome. I think they actually look better than the JR34s in my opinion. Let me know in the comments below. But again, Wheelmania have absolutely smashed it out of the park. As always, the only place to come if you want a decent set of wheels and to talk to people that actually know what they're talking about in terms of fitment and what wheels will look good on your car. We've gone for CSR Bolas and they're going to look sick on the Mercedes.
Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me. Why you hating on me? It's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck. Country heart, I might cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold-hearted, now I'm backed up. Keep it real, I do this once a month. I don't rap much. I just take the money and go stack up. Only buying cards to get tatted up. All that other bull, it don't matter much. You only climb me, I put the ladders up. No fault, I done doubled up on the workload. I think I fell in love with the bankroll. Pray up, get money, then we lay low. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me.
Well, I have to tell you, the drive back yesterday from Wheelmania, the car felt so much better. It doesn't track all over the road. And I think the 20-inch rims may have been a little bit of an overkill and I may have got a little bit excited, but you learn by your mistakes. And next time when I'm choosing wheels, I'm going to have to think about that if it's on a daily driver. Now, a massive shout out yet again to Wheelmania, who came through for me, gave me a set of wheels for the week and actually got these wheels turned around in a week, which is absolutely fantastic. Yeah, I can't thank them enough. If you want some wheels, the link is in the description. Go and take a look, give them a call, email them, message them on socials, let them know that you've seen my video and they'll sort you out a really good deal. If you like what you see, don't forget, smash that subscribe button, turn the notifications on, give me a thumbs up and comment in the comment section below. And I'll catch you in the next video.